I'm Sanjukta Sahani and I'm a Principal Program Manager with an MNC. I just completed my GROMO coach certification. This program for me was completely new, completely a new domain, but I carry back with me a wonderful set of tools and techniques, a plethora of ideas, of insights, of value cards, and the lovely set of people that I've met. And this entire program, Inderjeet has been such a wonderful coach, a facilitator. His humility, his knowledge, his patience, his responses to our various questions has been very well done and has helped us to reach a different position from where we were when we started. Because at the end of this program, I feel that I have rediscovered myself through all the tools and techniques, the practical sessions that we've been through. It is an amazing program and very well structured. So thank you so much, Inderjeet.